Hello everyone, we are from DG47CD English Group and we will be discussing future goals.
Hello, my name is Rizatan Fadila.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Taufik Akbar.
My name is Fazli Maula Bashar.
Okay, and next we will explain each person future goals.
My future goal is in the future I plan to build a career as a graphic designer who works in an environment that encourages creativity, collaboration, and meaningful visual communication. I want to keep developing my skills in brand identity, digital illustration, and visual storytelling so that I can create work that not only looks appealing but also delivers real value. My long-term plan is to contribute to creative projects that support local brands and community, and eventually build my own brand or studio where I can explore my ideas freely while making a positive impact. Next, my career goal is to become a professional designer who can combine ideas effectively and solve real-world problems through visual media. I aim to work in a creative agency where I can collaborate with clients, learn from senior designers, and understand how branding and visual strategy are built. I also aspire to create work that helps business grow and brings meaningful experience to audience. Over time, I want to develop my own creative platform or brand that reflect my value in creativity, community, and visual innovation. Next. 5 years from now, I see myself growing as a designer with stronger technical skill, broader creativity experience, and a deep understanding of how the industry works. I imagine myself working in a design studio or agency where I can continuously learn from projects and be part of supportive creative team. I also see myself doing community or volunteer program related to design, teaching creativity to children, or helping local organizations with visual campaign. In 5 years, I hope to be someone who stay grounded, consistent, and passionate, using design not only as a profession but also as a way to inspire and give back. Next, my short-term goals is in the short term, my goal is to improve my portfolio and build more design projects that respect my creativity and problem-solving approach. I want to strengthen my technical skills, especially in branding and digital illustration. I also aim to secure an internship in a design studio or creative agency where I can gain real-world experience, collaborate with profession, and understand the workflow of the industry. This short-term goal will help me prepare for a stable career path after graduation. In the long run, I aspire to build a career where I can contribute to meaningful design work, whether in creative agency, a community-based project, or my own branding in the future. I want to use design to support local business, promote positive messages, and create work that bring impact to society. My long-term vision is to establish a creativity project such as a small studio or brand that not only focus on visual quality but also support community initiative. Ultimately, I want to become a designer whose work is truthful, purposeful, and meaningful. Next,
My future goal is to build a successful and meaning career as a graphic designer who is not only technically proficient but also creative and innovative. I also hope to become a professional in my field and be able to create works that are not only aesthetic but also can benefit the wider community. In addition to the goals above, I also want to build broader connection by continuing my education both domestically and abroad, so that it can open up opportunity for collaboration and develop my career to be bigger so that I can share my experience of my journey in the graphic design profession. Personally, my future goal must be a balance between career and personal life, including the desire to continue to develop in honing my interests and talent. My career goal is to develop myself into a professional and competent graphic designer who is able to master various aspects of design and has a primary focus on building an attractive and high quality portfolio of work. Furthermore, I am also building strong relationships in the creative industry by participating in activities that have a positive impact on my network development, and hopefully this will open up opportunity for more challenging and innovative projects. See yourself in 5 years. In the next 5 years, I see myself as a professionally and creatively mature graphic designer and have also built a diverse portfolio that include innovative projects and is responsive to the need of client, user, and the latest design trends. In that time period, I hope to be able to provide solutions that are not only attractive but also effective and meaningful, solving design problem with an innovative approach and prioritizing clarity of message and sustainability values. During that time, I have also been involved in various activities such as workshops, seminars, or creative collaboration that can broaden my insight and open a wide professional network by contributing to sharing knowledge and also mentorship. A short-term career goals is I want to complete the goals I haven't fully committed to in the process. I am also trying my best, sacrificing time and energy to achieve maximum result. This is a definite step toward strengthening my skill and experience in graphic design and starting to build a portfolio with creative and innovative work or project. My long-term career goals is I aspire to become professional graphic designer who can help people solve problems through my experience and make a significant impact on the surrounding environment. I continue to hone my skill in layout, typography, and illustration while keeping up with the latest trend in the creative industry, and I strive to enrich my portfolio as designer to fully achieve this goal.
Okay, so now it's my turn. So what are your future goals? My future goals are centered on continuously developing myself as an artist and as an individual. I want to keep improving my drawing skills, strengthening my creativity, and building the discipline needed to reach my dreams. I aim to challenge myself through new experiences, whether by joining competitions, learning new techniques, or exploring different fields that support my artistic growth. At the same time, I want to maintain a clear mind, stay committed to my passion, and cultivate a mindset that will help me face the long and demanding journey ahead. Becoming a comic artist remains one of the main directions I want to pursue, and I hope to take the steps toward the path through learning, practice, and crossing new experiences. Overall, my goal is to prepare myself for a future where I can express my ideas freely, develop my craft, and work toward the dream I truly believe in. To steady effort and faith, I hope to shape a future where I can grow, create, and live the life I've always envisioned. My career goals are centered on becoming a comic artist whose work can reach and resonate with audiences beyond my own surroundings. I want to create stories that reflect my imagination and artistic growth and publish comics that allow me to build a recognizable presence in the industry. To move toward this direction, I aim to keep sharpening my drawing skills, understanding the creative process on a professional level, and gaining real experience in the comic world through various opportunities. I hope to begin my journey in local comic industries, develop my own projects consistently, and eventually build connections that can lead me to an international stage. Wherever it is fine, but I really hope it is in the Japanese comic scene, which has inspired me since childhood. Becoming a comic artist is the career path I truly want to pursue, and I am committed to working hard to turn that vision into reality. So, how do I see myself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself as a more mature and disciplined creator who actively involved in the comic industry. By that time, I hope to build a strong portfolio filled with my own comic projects and illustration that reflect my growth. I imagine myself working on a creative environment, either with a local comic studio or as an independent artist, while continuing to develop stories that carry my personal voice. I also myself I also see myself gaining more confidence, having joined various competitions, met fellow creators, and learned how industry truly operates. Most importantly, I see myself living closer to the dream I've held since childhood, steadily shaping a path that leads me toward becoming a recognized comic artist. In the short term, my current goals focus on strengthening my foundation as an aspiring comic artist. I want to keep improving my drawing skills, exploring different techniques, and building consistent creative routine. I plan to join comic competition to gain experience, understand how the industry works, and challenge myself to grow. More than that, I also plan to start creating more structured comic projects, expanding my portfolio, and developing a body of work that reflects my style and storytelling ability. Through these steps, I hope to prepare myself for professional opportunities and build the confidence needed to move forward in the comic world. For the long term, my career goals revolve around establishing myself as a professional comic artist with a strong creative identity. I hope to publish my own comics, collaborate with larger comic industries, and eventually build a presence that reaches international audiences. Working in the local comic scene is one step, but my broader ambition is to connect with creators and publishers beyond Indonesia, especially in Japan, where the comic culture that inspired me began. I want to develop a sustainable career in this field, one where I can tell meaningful stories, grow with each project, and continue refining my craft. Ultimately, I aim to create a body of work that not only represents my skills but also reflects the dreams I've carried since childhood.
Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.